Hello, friends. Please listen to my story. It is a long story. It is a story about two sisters. One sister is good. One sister is lazy. We are in a small village. The village is called Greenwood. It is a pretty place. There are many trees. The trees are tall and green. Near the village is a forest. It is the enchanted forest. People do not go there often. It is a mysterious place. In the village stands a cottage. The cottage is small. The cottage is made of wood. It has a brown roof. It has a red door. It has a small garden. Flowers grow in the garden. The flowers are yellow and pink. A mother lives in this cottage. She is a kind woman. She works very hard. She has two daughters. The first daughter is named Sophie. Sophie is the older sister. Sophie is very good. She likes to help her mother. She wakes up early. She smiles every morning. She brushes her hair. She puts on her dress. She cleans the house. She sweeps the floor. She washes the dishes. Sophie is diligent. The second daughter is named Bella. Bella is the younger sister. Bella is very beautiful, but Bella is not good. Bella is very lazy. She does not like to work. She loves to sleep. She stays in bed late. She sleeps until noon. She likes to look in the mirror. She brushes her hair for hours. She only cares about herself. Bella is vain. One day, the sun rises. The birds sing in the trees. The light comes into the room. The mother calls her daughters. She calls out to Sophie. She calls out to Bella. Sophie comes quickly. Sophie is ready to work. Bella stays in bed. Bella pulls the blanket up. She covers her head. She does not want to get up. The mother walks into the room. She opens the window. The fresh air comes in. "Wake up, Bella," says the mother. Bella groans. Bella sits up slowly. She looks unhappy. The mother speaks to them. "We have work today," she says. "Sophie, you must go to town. Take this basket," she says. The basket is full of yarn. The yarn is soft and white. Take the yarn to the weaver. He will give you money. Sophie takes the basket. It is a big basket. It is a little heavy. Sophie smiles. "Yes, mother," says Sophie. "I will go now." Sophie puts on her shoes. She walks out the door. She walks down the road. She is happy to help. Now the mother looks at Bella. Bella is still in her nightgown. She yawns loudly. "Bella, you have a job too," says mother. Bella makes a face. "I am tired," says Bella. "I want to rest," she says. The mother shakes her head. "You must help us," she says. "Go to the village well. Take the wooden bucket. Fill the bucket with water. Bring the water home." It is a simple job. It is an easy job. But Bella is angry. "Why must I go?" asks Bella. "The bucket is heavy. The water is far away. I might break a nail." She complains very much. The mother is firm. "Go now, Bella," she says. Bella is grumpy. She puts on her dress slowly. She puts on her shoes slowly. She takes the wooden bucket. She drags her feet. She walks out the door. She does not close the door. She walks into the garden. She kicks a small stone. She is very mad. The sun is hot today. Bella feels the heat.
She does not like the heat. She walks down the path. The path goes to the village. She sees a neighbor. She does not say hello. She keeps walking. Finally, she sees the well. The well is made of stone. It is old and deep. It has a roof. It has a rope. Bella puts the bucket down. She sighs loudly. "This is terrible," she says. "I hate work," she says. "Sophie should do this." Bella looks at the water. She looks down into the well. The water is dark. It looks cool. She feels very sleepy. She sits on the edge. This is dangerous. She leans her head back.
She closes her eyes. "I will rest," she whispers, "just for a minute." She falls asleep. Suddenly, she slips. She falls backward. She falls into the well. She screams, but she does not hit water. She falls down and down. She falls for a long time. It feels like a dream. She lands softly. She does not hurt herself. She opens her eyes. She is not wet. She is not in the well. She is in a strange place. She looks around. Everything is white. The ground is soft. It looks like cotton. She touches the ground. It feels like a cloud. She stands up. The sky is bright blue. There is no sun, but there is light everywhere. "Where am I?" asks Bella. "Is this the sky?" She sees a path. The path is made of silver. She walks on the path. She walks for a while. She sees a gate. It is a golden gate. Behind the gate is a house. It is not a cottage. It is a huge manor. It looks like a palace. It has tall towers. It has big windows. "This house is rich," says Bella. "Maybe a prince lives here. He will give me gifts." Bella smiles. She fixes her hair. She smooths her dress. She walks to the door. She knocks on the door. Bang, bang, bang. She knocks very hard. The door opens slowly. A man stands there. He is a tall man. He wears a long blue coat. He has a gray beard. He looks very serious. He is the Lord of Clouds. He looks at Bella. He does not smile. "Who are you?" he asks. "I am Bella," she says. She does not bow. She is not polite. "I am lost," she says. "Let me come in." The Lord looks at her. "You are rude," he thinks. But he opens the door. "Come inside," he says. Bella walks inside. The house is beautiful. There are silver chairs. There are crystal lamps. Bella sits on a chair. She puts her feet up. "I am hungry," she says. "Bring me some cake. Bring me sweet tea." The Lord frowns. "I am not a servant," he says. "This is my house. The floor is dirty. Will you help me clean?" He points to a broom. "Sweep the floor," he says. "Then we will eat." Bella laughs. "No," she says. "I do not sweep. I am too beautiful. Work is for ugly people. Sophie sweeps floors. I do not." The Lord is not happy. "You are lazy," he says. He tries again. "The dishes are dirty. Will you wash them? The water is warm. It is easy work." Bella shakes her head. "No," she says again. "I will ruin my hands. I want a gift. Give me a silk dress. Give me a gold ring. I deserve nice things." She demands these things. She acts like a princess. but she is not a princess. She is just a lazy girl. The Lord stands up tall. His eyes turn dark. The room gets cold. You are ungrateful, he says. You do not help. You only take. You are vain and rude. You cannot stay here. Bella looks at him. But I want the dress, she yells. Give me the dress. The Lord raises his hand. Thunder rumbles. Boom! The beautiful room shakes. The silver chairs disappear. The crystal lamps vanish. Leave my house, he commands. Go back to your world. Take what you deserve. He points to the door. The door flies open. Outside, the weather changes. The blue sky is gone. Now the sky is gray. Black clouds cover the sky. The wind blows hard. Whoosh! It is a cold wind. Bella is scared now. Wait, she cries. I am sorry. But it is too late. A strong wind pushes her out the door. She flies onto the path. It starts to rain. It is not water. It is black rain. It is like soot. It is sticky and dark. It falls on her hair. It falls on her face. It falls on her dress. Her dress is ruined. She runs away. She runs on the silver path. The path turns to mud. She slips and falls. She is covered in mud. She is covered in soot. She looks terrible. She cries loudly. Help me! She screams. Mother! Sophie! She runs and runs. She sees a hole. It is the way home. She jumps into the hole. She falls again. Down, down, down. The wind howls. Everything goes black. Suddenly, Bella gasps. She opens her eyes. She sits up fast. She is breathing hard. She looks around. She is not in the clouds. She is at the village well. She is sitting on the ground. Was it a dream? She touches her face. Her face feels wet. She looks at her hands. Her hands are dirty. There is black dust on them. It was not just a dream. She looks at the water. She sees her reflection. Her face is dirty. Her hair is messy. She looks wild. She feels very ashamed. She remembers the Lord. She remembers her bad behavior. I was so rude, she says. I was so lazy. I am a bad sister. Tears roll down her cheeks. The tears clean her face. She stands up. She grabs the wooden bucket. She wipes her eyes. I must change, she says. She lowers the bucket. She fills it with water. She pulls it up. It is heavy. Her arms hurt, but she does not stop. She lifts the bucket. She carries it. She walks back home. She walks fast. She gets to the cottage. She opens the door. Her mother is there. Sophie is there too. Sophie is cooking soup. Mother is sewing. They look at Bella. They see the dirt. They see the tears. Bella, cries the mother, what happened to you? Bella puts the bucket down. She runs to her mother. She hugs her mother tight. She hugs Sophie too. I am sorry, sobbed Bella. I am so sorry. I was lazy. I was mean. I want to be good. Please forgive me. The mother smiles. She kisses Bella's head. I forgive you, she says. Sophie smiles too. We love you, says Sophie. Go wash your face, says Mother. Then we will eat.
Bella washes her face. She scrubs off the soot. She changes her dress. She comes back to the kitchen. "Can I help?" asks Bella. "I can set the table. I can cut the bread." Mother and Sophie are surprised, but they are happy. "Yes, please," says Sophie. Bella sets the table. She works carefully. She does not complain. That night they eat dinner. The soup tastes good. The bread is warm. The house is happy. From that day on, Bella changed. She woke up early. She made her bed. She swept the floor. She went to the market. She fetched the water. She was not lazy anymore. She learned a lesson. Hard work is good. Kindness is important. Being lazy brings bad luck. Being good brings joy. Sophie and Bella worked together. They were best friends. The mother was very proud, and they lived happily ever after. The end.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.